Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix this graphic issue on Dress to Impress. So when you loaded in Dress to Impress, as you can see, it's super dark and the color is not it, even though my graphics quality is high. And even in low it's still like dark. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to have to quit the game and restart Roblox. That's just what you have to do, unfortunately. So here I'm just going to close Roblox for a bit, and then I'm going to open Roblox again. I'm just going to wait for it to start. Then you're going to open up Dress to Impress or whatever game. I think it's only like this on Dress to Impress, honestly. Press join while play the game. Just going to wait for it to load a little bit. I'm going to go to free play mode and I'm going to select confirm. And well, that is it. Your Dress to Impress like graphics quality is like bright again, not orange. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.